Deep inside a pitch-black cave, Michel Seyffer sat in absolute silence. It was July 16th, 1962. He had no watch. He had no calendar. He had no windows to see the sun. He was 90 meters below the surface of the earth. His only connection to the outside world was a single field telephone. He intended to stay down there for exactly 2 months. He wanted to see what happened to a human brain when time was completely erased. We live our lives by ticking hands and digital screens. We wake when the alarm sounds. We sleep when the clock tells us to. But what happens when the ticking stops? Without realizing it, Michel's body quickly abandoned the 24-hour day. His internal clock drifted. His biological day stretched out to 24 hours and 30 minutes. Some days, it stretched even longer. But his mind did something far more terrifying. To Michel, each day felt like a few brief hours. When his team called him on September 14th to tell him the experiment was over, Michel was shocked. He genuinely believed it was only August 20th. He had completely lost track of 25 whole days. His brain had simply deleted almost a month of his life. How does a mind lose a month? To understand this, we must look at a tiny cluster of cells. It is called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Think of it as your brain's master clock. It sits right above your optic nerves. Every morning, sunlight travels through your eyes and hits these cells. The light acts like a hard reset button. It tells your body that a new day has begun. But down in the damp, freezing dark of the cave, there was no reset button. Michel's master clock was forced to run entirely on its own. Without the sun, the human brain begins to stretch and warp reality. Our memories are tied directly to change. We mark time by the shifting light, the temperature drop, the sequence of daily events. When every second is identical, the brain stops recording. It collapses hours into minutes. It turns weeks into a single blurry moment. Are we actually experiencing time, or are we just tracking light? Later researchers repeated Michel's work under even stricter conditions. In 1972, Michel went back into a cave for 6 whole months. This time, his body did something truly bizarre. On several occasions, his sleep-wake cycle stretched to an astonishing 48 hours. He would stay awake for 36 hours straight, then sleep for 12. Yet to his conscious mind, those 36-hour stretches felt like a normal, brief afternoon. The human body is an ancient biological machine. It was designed to run on the rhythm of a spinning planet. For millions of years, our ancestors rose with the dawn and slept with the dark. Our hormones, our body temperature, and our cellular repair cycles are all tuned to this cosmic dance. Today, we live in a world of perpetual twilight. We stare at glowing blue screens late into the night. We work inside windowless offices under buzzing fluorescent bulbs. We have built a world where we can ignore the sun entirely. But our biology remembers the cave. When we disrupt our natural rhythm, we do not just get tired. We damage our hearts, we weaken our immune systems, and we scramble our memory. We are constantly forcing our master clock to run in the dark. Michel Seyffer crawled out of his cave into the blinding French sunlight. His eyes burned. His body ached. He had survived the dark, but he was forever changed. He realized that our grip on reality is incredibly fragile. We are passengers on a rock spinning through a dark void. Without the sun to guide us, we are simply lost in the dark.